Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to view Markdown on VS Code in just a few quick steps. First, you need to open a Markdown file in VS Code. Go to File in the top menu bar, then click Open File. Select your .md file and it appears in the editor window. You'll immediately see syntax highlighting for your Markdown formatting. Your headings, bold text, links, bullet points, all of that gets color-coded to make it easier to read and edit. Just make sure the file you're working with has the .md extension. That's what tells VS Code it's a Markdown file. Now, to open the preview, we'll use a keyboard shortcut. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+K, then release both keys, then press V. On Mac, that's Command+K, release, then V. The timing matters here. Press the first key combo, let go, then hit the second key. As soon as you do that, a preview panel appears on the right side of your editor. This shows you exactly how your Markdown will look when it's rendered. Your headings are formatted properly, your links are clickable, images show up, everything displays as it would in a final document. The preview updates in real time as you type. So if you add a new heading or change some text in the editor on the left, you'll see it instantly reflected in the preview panel on the right. There's no need to refresh or save. It just updates automatically. One thing to note, scroll sync is enabled by default. That means when you scroll down in your editor, the preview scrolls automatically to match your position. So you're always looking at the same part of your document in both panels. This makes it straightforward to check your formatting as you write without losing your place. A couple more things that can be useful if you want to lock the preview to a specific Markdown document. You can use the Markdown toggle preview locking command from the command palette. That's handy if you're switching between multiple files but want to keep the preview showing one particular document. And if scroll sync gets in your way for any reason, you can disable it in VS Code settings. Just search for Markdown, Preview, Scroll Editor to find those options. And there we go. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.